Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to recover Stargazer wallet. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Stargazer application from your app drawer, and then you will come across this interface where you'll need to enter your password to unlock your wallet. If you don't remember your password during the process and you don't know what to do next, all you need to do is to recover your wallet from seed phrase. Simply tap on recover from seed phrase at the bottom, and then make sure to restore your wallet by entering the correct seed words in the correct order in the display. Select the word phrases that you previously backed up for your Stargazer wallet and then type in the seed phrases in the correct order. After typing in the correct words in the correct order, tap on restore at the bottom, and now every time you restore your wallet, you will need to create a new Stargazer password. Enter the new password in the first text box and then re-enter the password on the next field. Finally, tap on the next button at the bottom, and soon after you are done, you will be able to import your wallet. That is how you can easily recover your Stargazer wallet even if you've forgotten your password during the login process. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.